Time to share with you a little trade that was just taken on the NQ. This was a nice one. This is a 5-minute chart on the NQ right here. And the morning session was a little lackluster. First hour and a half here between 9:30 and about 11 o'clock. Not too much going on. Took a couple of trades. Did okay. Signed off, went and did some other things. Came back at 1400. Which was just a couple minutes ago, and noticed that we'd been in a steady downtrend all morning. I think there's some concern about tariffs, a couple other things going on in the market. I'm not paying too close attention to the news, but it's easy to see that we're kind of there's a lot of negativity, even before 1400, like right about there. You could see that we're in a pretty clear downtrend, down channel. There was a little fake out up here, another one up here. But overall, we've been in a steady downtrend. So looking at that and kind of logging on this 5-minute chart right about here at 1400, what I saw was that there was ready to have some confluence on a couple of key levels. One of the key levels in the NQ is the 77 that I was looking at. And the other one was this light green line, which is the 20-period moving average for the 5-minute chart. So I said to myself, what I'm going to take a close look at here, and actually I had this one lining up also up here. I'll just share this also. This is 22,900 big round number. And I said the other one I'm interested in, if I can see a confluence between this gold line here, which is the 5-minute 50, and this big round number. So if we can get confluence and price reacts to that confluence, that apex, then I'll be interested in that, as well as I'll be interested in if we get confluence between the 77 and the 5-minute 20. So we did get confluence here between the 77 and the 5-minute 20. And what I did is I waited for a rejection in the form of a 5-minute downward facing candle, red candle. And so I waited for that. So I saw that we were having the confluence here where everything's coming together with this green 5-minute 20 and the 77 level. Price kind of came up to it, did a steady downtrend, then did that shallow pullback to that area right here. And then I saw this confluence here, and then the rejection candle. And so I went short right here at 869, and we got a huge push down right after that, right at about 1415. And just keep in mind at 1400, you generally have more volume coming into the market, so it's a good time to trade. It's a good thing to wait until 1400, which is 2 p.m. New York, to trade. So I did get short here at 66, and it just pretty much slammed down towards 26. I think I covered somewhere around 35. So yeah, I got about a 30-pointer out of it. Now it's still going. So you know, holding short would have been really the best idea, but we did get quite a bounce here off the 26 level. So that's kind of where when it started to bounce, that's where I kind of jumped out. Anyway, that's just something that I thought I'd share because, you know, confluence is very important and it's very powerful. When you can get a couple of levels, a diagonal level matching up to a horizontal level, matching up with price, and then a 5-minute rejection candle, that's a recipe for a good trade. And it can happen on the upside as well. Today we're in a downtrend, obviously, and so I was looking for shorts. I was looking for the confluence and a rejection of that area in the form of a 5-minute red candle, which I got. So great trade. Really happy about that one. And with that, my day is done. Catch you on the next one.